Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Tuesday 2nd December 2025. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction first number 24, number 12, number 5, number 42, number 36, booster number 31. UK 49's tea time prediction number. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 5 UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 5 UK 49's lunchtime 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49's tea time prediction number first number 4, number 33, number 43, number 15, number 27, booster number 18. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe now.